The reality is, you can get a man to focus 100% of his time on you, if he's willing to. This isn't something you can make happen overnight, as that simply won't last. A few months may go by with a commitment from him, but eventually his eyes will begin to wander, looking for a new woman to conquer. The reason as to why this might happen is that you spend too much time with and on your man, which in turn drives him away. He knows that you are there much too often, at his every beck and call, just ready and waiting to do whatever you think is necessary, and just run to him. That behavior is simply too overwhelming and overpowering for him, resulting in him leaving. It appears as though the person he wanted so badly in his life is just about obsessive in every way. The old saying, "If it isn't broke, don't fix it," applies here as well. Still, with the old adage of attraction, after all, that is probably what he saw in you in the first place. Once he looks behind the attraction, he'll see that you're a nice person to be around. You make him laugh. You make an effort to look good for him, and you never let him down. This will allow him to trust you and be loved and comforted by you. The key with attraction is that it allows you to keep an invisible leash on him that will always have him looking at you with no wandering eyes. Make sure to show him affirmation, no matter how little or trivial it may seem, and let him know how much you appreciate what he says and does daily. All of those things will let him know that you are thinking about him, and he will, without a doubt, love it. Quality time together, such as watching TV, cooking together, or taking a class in something one of you are interested in, is always important as well. A little spontaneity works wonders. A hug here, a surprise kiss there, all show that you don't take your man for granted. There's nothing wrong with being a strong woman, but overpowering your man can scare him off. You want to open these doors with him, but not to the extent that he'll go through one and you may never see him again. Keep the air light, but solid. Let him know that you are in this for the long haul, but keep any talk of marriage or children, etc. at a clear distance. Moving too quickly with that in the early stages will put you in a position that's hard to recover from. As the old saying goes, the way to a man's heart is through his stomach. So don't forget to fill his belly with some good home-cooked meals, good laughs, and don't be such a serious Sally when it's not needed. Date nights are a fun way to spice up your relationship and should encompass activities that both of you enjoy. There are only so many romantic comedies he can watch, so you may want to switch it up with his favorite zombie or war movie. You have to give in a little and truly be okay with it, because a lot of this will further add to the attraction that we talked about earlier. Part of the attraction is to give in to his wishes and desires, as well as your own. This places you in an unselfish and favorable light with him, and will leave him really wanting this relationship even more. Investing time into your relationship is obviously a necessity, but don't forget the fact that both of you need time on your own, with your friends. This is very important as it demonstrates that you can go out and have a good time with your friends, or on your own, without being needy and longing for your partner. To prevent coming across as needy via text when you are apart, the book Text Chemistry has advice and tips regarding text messages that will help strengthen your relationship while fueling his desire for you. Click the link below to see the #1 text that makes any man shake with obsession. When you do get together after your time apart, you may find that both of you have stories to share and may discover new things about each other. This time apart will also show him that you are not obsessive or possessive like other women he may have dated, and you are Miss Independent, who does, in fact, have a life that is not completely driven around your guy. Men love to see this in women, and when you are together, he knows that it's the perfect time to focus all his time and attention on you. Thanks for watching.